I have been waiting for you for 1 hour. Why didn't I say I am waiting or I have waited? What's the difference? Today we will learn one of the most interesting tenses in English. Okay? Stay till the end. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. We have already learned simple present, present continuous, present perfect. So today we are learning the last tense of the present tense family, that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay? After this lesson you will understand all 4 present tenses. Okay? Now think, I started studying English for 2 hours and I am still studying. How can I express this in English? I have been studying English for 2 hours. This is present perfect continuous tense. Okay? Now come to the definition. What is present perfect continuous tense? Present perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that started in the past, is still continuing in the present and may continue in the future. जो कार्य भूतकाल में शुरू हुआ, अभी भी जारी है और आगे भी जारी रह सकता है, उसके लिए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का प्रयोग किया जाता है. जैसे कि एक्शन स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट एंड स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग. आई हैव बीन रीडिंग फॉर 2 hours. इसका मतलब क्या है? मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ. क्या कर रहा हूँ? पढ़ रहा हूँ. She has been cooking since 8 a.m. मतलब वह सुबह 8 बजे से खाना बना रही है. सुबह 8 बजे से वो बना ही रही है. ठीक है? They have been playing football all afternoon. मतलब वे पूरे दोपहर से फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. ठीक है? ये सब क्या है? Present perfect continuous tense. Now tell me in the comments, what have you been doing today? Example, I have been studying since morning. I have been watching this video for 10 minutes. Okay? Now you have to tell me in the comments. Now come to the structure. What is the structure of positive sentence? Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. I have been studying for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ. आप इसको मिलाइए इसके स्ट्रक्चर के साथ. ठीक है? शी हैज़ बीन सिंगिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. मतलब वह सुबह से गा रही है. सिंस वर्सेस फॉर. सिंस कब लगाते हैं? स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. सिंस मंडे, सिंस 2020, सिंस 8 a.m. ठीक है? एंड फॉर ड्यूरेशन के लिए लगाते हैं, जैसे कि फॉर 2 hours, फॉर 3 hours, ओके, फॉर 1 week. सो नाउ यू हैव टू टेल विच सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट. शी हैज़ बीन राइट ए लेटर फॉर 1 hour. शी हैज़ बीन राइटिंग ए लेटर फॉर 1 hour. व्हाई? विच सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट? Number 2, that is she has been writing a letter for 1 hour because after has or have, we are using been, isn't it? We always use verb plus what? Ing. Okay? In negative sentence, we use subject first plus has or have plus not plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. He has not been sleeping well. वह अच्छी तरह से नहीं सो रहा है. Okay? Now interrogative structure, we always use first has or have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. See the example. Have you been studying for 2 hours? क्या तुम 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहे हो? So every day you should learn these structures. Okay? If you learn the structures properly, then sentences you can make automatically. Okay? Has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. These are the golden rules. Okay? And you remember, since we use in the starting point, and for we use for duration. Okay? Now complete this sentence. I have been dash for dash. So we can write like this. I have been learning English for what? 1 month. Okay? Now tell me which sentence is correct. He has been read. He has been reading. Which sentence is correct? It's number 2. He has been reading. Okay? So, if you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay? So today you have now completed all 4 present tenses. So congratulations to you all. What are the 4 present tenses? Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Okay? So keep practicing every day and your English will improve step by step. Okay? See you in the next grammar lesson. Till then, bye bye, namaste, take care. Okay?